Here's how to fix verification required on the App Store. Now, if you go to buy something in an in-app purchase or buy an app or subscription, but it says verification required, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into the settings. So open up the settings app here. And you'll see at the very top is your name. We need to go in and choose the billing account and make sure that the payment methods are not the issue themselves. So first we'll tap on your name at the very top. And now you'll be able to see, if you scroll down, you can see media and purchases. So let's tap on media and purchases here. And we're going to hit view account. This will bring up your App Store account here and a bunch of settings in there. Now, from here, the first thing we'll do is choose Manage Payments, because we need to make sure the payment method on file is a good and valid payment method. So just tap on the payment method and review everything to make sure it looks good. Now, if there are any issues, you can always go back out of here and hit Add a New Payment Method. You can also choose a credit card, debit card, or even PayPal to just add that as well. Now, that is one common reason because there's an issue with your payment method. But a second reason that is really common is because you have a purchase history that didn't go through very well. So we can tap on purchase history right under subscriptions here. Tap on purchase history and you can see all of the past purchases. Now, what you're going to be looking for is one that says there's an error or one that says there's basically paid for, or it's still trying to process it, or you can see pending at the very top for this purchase. Now, if there are any issues, you can always just tap on it, and on here you can hit report a problem or manage the subscription, or you can also just go back out of here. And an easy way to fix this is just to hit manage payment methods, and then you can go to add money to your Apple account. Now just top up money in your Apple account by adding, say, $25 on there. That will resolve any past purchases in the App Store and fix any future purchases using the in-app purchases or subscriptions or anything like that. And you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.